ready to transform your Beehiiv homepage from ordinary to outstanding. Today, we're diving deep into how you can easily change the direction of your homepage layout in Beehiiv to perfectly match your brand and captivate your visitors. First things first, log into your Beehiiv account and navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Settings or Website section. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the website settings, find the option that controls your homepage layout. It might be labeled Layout, Homepage Design, or something similar. Click on it. Beehiiv gives you incredible flexibility to rearrange your homepage. Think of it like building blocks. You can drag and drop different sections like your featured posts, About section, or Call to Action into a new order. See these different blocks? You can select a block like your featured posts and simply drag it up or down to reposition it on your homepage. Want your subscription form to be more prominent? Drag it to the top. Beehiiv often provides preset layout structures. To explore these options to see if one of them already aligns with the direction you envision for your homepage. You can usually preview these changes before committing. As you make your adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. Most platforms have a clear Save or Publish button. Click that to make your new layout live. And there you have it. Compare your new layout to the old. A well-directed homepage isn't just about looks. It's about guiding your visitors smoothly, encouraging engagement, and making a lasting first impression. Experiment with different arrangements until your homepage perfectly reflects your brand and drives the engagement you desire. Happy customizing.